YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to change your battery for the Apple MacBook Pro. This one is the 13-inch unibody. So it is pretty old, and then the battery is totally dead. When I plug in, it shows 0%. It says replace soon under a battery icon. So first of all, you need like a 0 or 00 screwdriver to take out the screw on the back or on the bottom of your MacBook Pro. So be sure to push down straight. You don't want to strip it. And there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe the two on the back by the hinges is the longest one. So, and this is the pretty small size screws. Okay, be sure not to lose it, and you want to put it away. I'm gonna just put it on my other Chromebook. So yeah, this is another short one. Okay, same size. So the short one's same size. You don't need to worry about mixing them. Yep, this one's the same. I believe this one on the back toward the hinges is the longest one. No, I guess not. Oh yeah, it is, see? So this is pretty long. So be sure I think only the two on the corner are the longest one. Check out this one in the middle. Oh, so this one's a long one too then. So 4 of them in the back are, 4 of them on the back are, those are the long screws then. Oops. All right, so this one is short one. Not sure why. It's kind of weird. So you only have 3 short, 3 long one, okay? So 1, 2, 3. This is the back. So now I can open this up and inspect it. So last time I changed out the disk, but somehow this system is running kind of slow. I'm not sure it's due to the age or of this computer or what's going on. And this is the battery. There are like 2 more screws, 1, 2 right there. Okay, then you need to remove, and you need to pry this out as a flex cable for the battery. No, that's not a flex. This is the cable for the battery that you need to disconnect. right here. So if you don't unscrew those screws, you want to allow you to take it out. So check it out real quick. So you just pry this out. Okay, and then that's it. You disengage the connector. So yeah, you want to go ahead and then unplug it first. I'm sure there's somebody working on this computer before. Why it doesn't? So I'm going to remove this one. Oh, so this is like a tri-point. I need a tri-point screwdriver in order to remove those two. So let me go ahead and get the tri-point screwdriver. So hopefully it's the same size as the iPhone. So I got this tri-point tip screwdriver. There you go. Let me turn on the flash. It's kind of dark in here. So yeah, this is a pretty long size. It's almost a similar size as one, a little bit shorter. Mixed up. Make sure you don't mix it up. So this one is shorter, okay? And both of them are in black. And now I can pull out this tab. To remove the battery. Alright, so this battery somehow is not good or holding the charge. So it is better to remove your old one first to match the one that you're gonna buy on like eBay or Amazon. But I want to make sure that this computer could run smoothly before I purchase another one. Because the mouse is kind of stick a little bit. Oh, probably got expanded. Alright, so somehow this battery got expanded. And it is pushing, the cell is pushing against the mouse pad. And when I try to push the mouse, the click button, it did not click right. I said, what's going on? Now it's working fine. So yeah. So when your mouses cannot click properly, that means the battery somehow got expanded and pushed against this mouse pad. See, if I push against it, I cannot press the button and hear the click. Now I could. So yeah, this battery is no good. So anyway, that's how you change your battery. You're gonna need to order a new one, and then just put it back and click the battery terminal back and screw those in, and then put your cover back. And that's how you install your new battery. Remove and install. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.